What's up everybody, it's Jeremy here. Is there such thing as clients from hell? To be honest, there's no such thing as clients from hell because you are the designer, you are the professional, you have to take the responsibility. You're the one that does the client onboarding and leads the client through the process, through your process of how you work. It's all up to you. It's all about the information you're speaking them with and how you share your message. Is there clarity? Are you sharing, are they clear on what you do and the project that you're working on, their timeline and all that stuff? There's no such thing as clients from hell. Although there was one experience when I was in college and I was doing freelancing, and what happened was I was doing, there was like a little cafe. I did a logo and a menu and all that stuff. But what happened was I designed a menu, but the font sizes were too small because I made a mistake and I didn't test it and I didn't, print it out and just check the sizes properly. And what happened, they did a print run and, it wasn't working well and he said it's too small. And, he got upset and he got angry and I offered to fix it. I didn't charge him anything extra. I just offered to fix it and help out. And I said I was sorry, but he stopped replying to my calls and my messages and he wouldn't pay up for the work I did, because I did put a lot of work into it and hours. And, it wasn't that much. I was only getting like $300 at the time because I was still in college and I was just like an extra project, right? And he wouldn't pay up. And then, I had to go through this whole process, just to get the payment through because it was on Airtasker. But yeah, that was just my one experience I had. But, at the end of the day, that was my fault. It was my responsibility because, I didn't check the type. I didn't make sure that everything was correct and ready for print and all that stuff. It's on me. It's not the client. So, take the responsibility. Don't blame others. You man up and you do it the right way the first time. And one way to avoid clients is to, push away red flags. And you can do that by having a questionnaire. You go through a discovery process of asking questions and talking to them, in a call, on an email. You talk to them and see if they're a good fit. You can pick up red flags if, they're not willing to pay up 50% or, they're not giving you much content or information or, they're lagging with their responses or they don't want to come on a call with you, just things like that, and having a questionnaire will filter out those bad clients and also picking up on these, little nuances. But over time, as you get more experience, you can tell when someone's a bit dodgy or shifty, so you will avoid those people. So that's my point of view on that. But yeah, take control, whether you're a freelancer or working in an agency, take control. It's your business, it's your life. So do it the best you can and be excellent. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content every week, and I'll catch you next time.